Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on Fidelity. Start by logging into your Fidelity account and navigating to your brokerage portfolio, then select the position you want to sell and choose Sell Order Type. Confirm quantity and order type, review estimated proceeds, and submit the trade during market hours. Keep an eye on confirmations and settlement timing, and consider tax implications before finalizing sales. When selling on Fidelity, pick the order type that matches your goal and risk comfort. Market orders trade fast but may execute at an unexpected price, while limit orders give price control but may not fill. Stop orders trigger at a threshold to limit downside, and combined stop-limit orders add a price cap. Think about trading hours, liquidity, and the size of your position before submitting an order. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with crisp sound and handy voice control, perfect for listening to market updates while you trade. It fits any room and makes managing routines simple. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Selling on Fidelity affects taxes and cash availability, so plan ahead and stay organized. Keep detailed records of purchase dates, cost basis, and any wash sale adjustments for accurate reporting. Note that trades settle in 2 business days, which impacts when funds are usable. Consider consulting a tax professional for complex situations, especially for large portfolios or frequent trading, to optimize timing and tax outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.